Hello. We're going to take a few moments to look at this AP Physics problem here. We're looking at the problem LightBoard. And this problem was from the 2019 AP Computer Science A released exam. You can go to the College Board website and get it right here. This is actually all of the problems from that particular exam on the AP website. I've copied that over here so that we can look at this in a few different sections, and maybe you're looking at one of the videos as we introduce this problem and try to solve it. Just to set this up, when you take the actual AP exam, there are 4 long answer free response problems that they give you 90 minutes to solve. So that's a little bit more than 20 minutes per problem, which is a ton of time to try and figure out what's going on. It's wonderful. It's a great test, and typically the amount of code that you write, you have between 10, 15, 20 lines of code maybe for a given problem, not too much. So the challenge is really not to write the code. The challenge is to make sure that the code that you write is correct, of course. And that involves really understanding the problem and kind of digging into the problem. So more than anything else, if I've ever encouraged you to take your time and figure out what the problem is, you absolutely want to do that on these AP exams. And so you want to slow yourself down. You want to take a pencil in hand and write lots of notes on here. So you're going to be scribbling all over the exam. I'll be showing you that process as we try and figure out what's going on. And then we'll solve this problem. And it's not going to take us that long. We just have to be really careful in considering the problem itself. So what I'd like to have you do at this point is go ahead and read the problem. The problem is going to be, it starts right here with the LightBoard class. They're going to describe what's going on. There's going to be an introduction here. Take a look through all of this stuff here. Here's a part A where they ask you to do something, and then they've given you some space down here to do this. What I've done here looks similar to, not identical to, but similar to what the College Board provides you with. And then there's a part B, and we'll do that in a few moments as well. There's a part B with a lot of explanations about what's going on. They're really carefully identifying the things that you should focus on there. And so, yeah, take a few moments to read over the problem and maybe even take a look at part A and see if you can figure out what's going on with part A. And once you get done with that, click on the video solution, which will be down here, and we'll talk about that.